Very smart looking Consul just arrived with us, guys. I'll take you on a quick tour around. I've taken quite a number of photographs already. I'll take a few more of the outside of the car just as soon as I show you around the inside. She's ticking over there lovely. She's been ticking over there for the last 5 or 10 minutes from cold, waiting for me to do the video. Very smart inside. Lovely on the headcloth, lovely on the seats, door cards and shuts. Some new rubbers, jack and brace, spare wheel and so forth, all in the boot. Nice there under the boot lid. Again, the same on this side. Folder full of material there, nice big fat folder full of material there, more bits and bobs there, workshop manual there. Lovely on the dash area. Right bonny looking little car. Right, we'll shut these bits up and I'll take you on a tour around the outside. She sits well, looks nice. Yeah, look here. Sits nice, doesn't it? Mud flaps on the front, which are nice. Consul 375 badge on the boot. She looks an eyeful, doesn't she? Right, I'll take a few more photographs quickly before it starts to rain and we'll get it back inside.